Today we're checking out an all-electric human drone that you can buy and fly today. Well, sort of. Ladies and gentlemen, the Jetson. Not kidding, guys, the future is finally here. For so long, we've been teased with this idea of a human drone, and for the first time, you can buy one. And really, anyone can fly this aircraft without a pilot's license, because the Jetson aircraft actually falls under the ultralight category. Ultralights are considered manned aircraft that can be flown with some limitations. What that means for folks is you don't need a pilot's license, although I would highly recommend that you get the proper training before you get behind the cockpit of any aircraft. Jetson, though, is something beautiful to marvel. This aircraft was designed and built by a Swedish company, and their mission is to change the way we travel. For some who's followed this project, the very first prototype for the Jetson ONE was actually back in 2018. And at the time, this is what it looked like. Pretty impressive, I would say. Now you have this finished product that is powered by 8 lithium-ion batteries, and you can buzz around for a good bit of time before you need to recharge. See, unlike most aircraft that we're used to, whether that be helicopters or fixed-wing airplanes, the Jetson has 3 axes. What that means is this aircraft doesn't need any runway to take off. You literally can lift up vertically, and within a few seconds, you're already flying. But unlike an airplane or a helicopter, the Jetson can move laterally. Just like a drone, you can move from side to side. Here's some quick fun facts about the Jetson. For one, this is a very light aircraft. The gross weight is about 190 pounds, so don't go flying on a windy day. The max weight for the pilot is 210 pounds. Just from the looks from the demo flight, you probably don't want to be in this aircraft if you're on the taller side. Jetson is powered by 88 kilowatts lithium-ion batteries, and with all the electric motors you have in this thing, you only have about 20 minutes worth of flying. Max speed is 65 miles per hour. And just as I mentioned earlier, this is not an aircraft that you're taking to places. It's basically built for recreational use. So if you've got some acres and you've got the time to buzz around, this is the perfect toy. Now, how much would all this fun cost you? Currently, you can purchase a Jetson for about $92,000. Now, here's the catch. This is not a finished aircraft, which means you have to get a kit and then put it together yourself. 50% of the aircraft will come fully built, and then you build the rest of the 50%. Most single-engine aircraft that needs to be built would typically take more than 1,000 hours. But looking at this frame, I don't imagine you spend anywhere close to that amount of hours to put one together. If you are serious about buying one, you need $22,000 deposit just to save your spot on the production line. And as of right now, the company is completely sold out for the year 2021. If you don't mind the wait, you can get a taste of what it's like to be in the future. For more information about the Jetson, you can check out the link in the description below. Also, for those of you who are looking to get a fixed-wing aircraft, make sure you check out our dealership at lookupaviation.com. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, my name is Mike. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if this is your first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on. A great way to support the channel is by becoming a member on Patreon. Also, the link in the description. Thank you all so much for your support, and I will catch you on the next video.